Wow, look at the lather of this soap. This turmeric soap came out so nice. And the best part, it was super easy to make. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some turmeric soap, specifically turmeric face soap. This soap will be made out of aloe vera, melt and pour soap base. This is a super easy, beginner-friendly turmeric face soap recipe. So if you've been wanting to try your hand at soap making, using a melt and pour soap base is an excellent way to get started. I have some melt and pour soap that I've already started cutting up into small pieces. However, for this particular recipe, I'm going to need a little bit more. So let's go ahead and start doing that now. I'm just going to cut up some more pieces. And guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you're notified whenever I create a new video. As I mentioned, this is an aloe vera soap base. So in essence, the soap that I'm making today is a turmeric and aloe vera face soap. So guys, just as an FYI, if you are new to my channel and you're looking for a ton of DIY skincare recipes, you can head over to my website after you're done watching this video at beautyrove.com. There will be a link in the description box down below. And while you're there, you can also download a free skincare ingredient checklist. So guys, that checklist is a great resource to have, and it lists the most important ingredients that you need to start making your own DIY skincare products. So one thing I do like about this aloe vera soap is that it lathers up really nicely. It's also very moisturizing. It will not leave your skin feeling tight and dry after you cleanse your face. So I'm almost done cutting up my soap, but let's keep going and cut up a little bit more into some smaller pieces, and that's going to help the soap melt. For this turmeric soap recipe, I'm using 2 cups of the aloe vera melt and pour soap. So now that I have my soap chunks cut up, I'm going to go ahead and use my large measuring cup and fill it up to make sure that I have enough soap. And now that I have my soap measured out, let's move on to the next step. And so for this next step, I'm going to go ahead and melt down my soap base. So this is the double boiler that I'm going to use. I'm going to fill this portion up with water and then place the second pot over into this primary pot and put the soap chunks in the top. While my soap is melting, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my soap mold. And I'm using a silicone mold to make these soap bars. This silicone mold has 6 compartments. So in 3 of the compartments, I'm going to make plain aloe vera and turmeric soap. And then in the other 3 compartments, I'm going to add in these little lemon slices, just to give my soap a little bit of pizzazz. Now, in addition to my lemon slices, I'm going to be using some turmeric because, of course, this is turmeric face soap. So this is an actual turmeric powder, and I'm going to go ahead and measure out some to place over into my liquid soap so that I'll be prepared once my soap is melted. And I'm measuring out about 1/16 of a teaspoon. So with melt and pour soap, you want to make sure that you just keep stirring the soap. So guys, yes, as you can see, it is melted. But again, you want to keep stirring the soap so that it doesn't start to harden and thicken up, because it will, and it can do that very quickly. So you also, as an alternative, you can put your melt and pour soap into the microwave. However, I really like using the double boiler method. So if you're thinking about trying the double boiler method and you don't have a double boiler, then I will place a link in the description box below for one that you can check out that's similar to the one that I'm using. Now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some of my turmeric and stir it in. So you don't need to add in a whole lot of turmeric into this soap. You just want to add in enough so that you can get the benefits of the turmeric along with the benefits of the aloe vera. And for some additional benefits, I'm going to go ahead and add in some lavender essential oil. So essential oil is excellent for the skin when mixed with other ingredients like a carrier oil or when it's in a soap like this. Lavender essential oil has anti-inflammatory properties. It also has antibacterial as well as antifungal properties, and so it's really soothing for the skin, and it's going to make this soap also smell really, really nice. Now let's go ahead and fill up my mold. And the reason why I really like this double boiler is because it has a little spout, and that makes it so much easier to pour my soap over into my silicone mold. So if you notice that there are little bubbles on top of your soap, or like there are on top of my soap, you want to have some alcohol on hand and spritz the soap right away, like as soon as you're done pouring it. So I didn't spritz as quickly as I should have, but I'm not too worried about these bubbles because I'm making this soap for myself. So now that I filled up my silicone mold with my soap, I'm going to let the soap bars set for about 2 hours. So it's been about 2 hours and the soap bars are hard. Now I'm going to remove them from the mold. Now that I've removed my soap from the mold, let's go ahead and try it out. And guys, as you can see, this soap lathers up really, really well. So I'm trying it out on my hand, and this is the one that has the lemon slice inside. But of course, the ones that I'll be using for my face are the ones I did not include the lemon slices in. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Products that I use, as well as ingredients, can be found in the description box below. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.